What's up guys, today I'm doing a review video or unboxing video of the AUKEY or AUKEY mechanical keyboard, however you want to pronounce it. Let's get it. Alright, so here we have the keyboard. I'll just get you guys a closer look at the box here. And now we're going to unbox it. So here is basically the contents of the box. Not much, is exactly what you ordered. Just a manual, not sure why you would need that, and this fancy warranty card. That's pretty cool. Alright, so I'm gonna go get ready to plug this bad boy in so we can check it out, but first, yeah, that looks a lot better. Alright, so let's go ahead and plug this puppy in, and I'm telling you, like, right off the bat, it's already doing cool stuff. Dope. Let me go ahead and show you guys why I love this keyboard so much. So there's a few functions on it. Let me see if I remember. Might be pushing. Oh no, pushed the wrong button. I'm sorry. It's FN and then insert. That's pretty cool. Let's see what else we got. The next one. Now, I'm not much of a PC gamer, but I'm guessing that's what it's for, this one here. And this one's pretty cool. And I think we're coming up to my favorite one, which is the entire reason I bought this keyboard. That's pretty cool too. This is it right here. This is why I bought the keyboard. Like, if you want to make anybody jealous at work or just stand out, I definitely recommend this one and using this mode right here. So a benefit to using this keyboard is you could be doing absolutely nothing and it will sound like you're doing a lot. I mean, listen, like, just listen to the sound of this stuff. Like, you're gonna sound like the hardest worker at work. You're gonna get a raise, trust me. You use this keyboard and people hear all this, you're getting a raise, I promise you. Like, you could be at work playing the meanest game of Pac-Man and people will look over and be like, wow man, like, you're really killing it today. Trust me, I know. Ask me how I know. So overall guys, this is a really great keyboard. I definitely recommend it. It's not my first one, this is actually my second one. And I'm telling you, like, a lot of people, they just stop by when they see me typing away and they're like all checking out the keyboard. So if you just want to impress somebody or sound like you're doing a lot of work at work, I definitely recommend it. Check it out.